Our first program is write a program in Python to print the sum of first n natural number using for loop where value of n is to be input by the user. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file and type the program code here. Now save your program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter any number. If you give input 20, then the natural number from 1 to 20 is printed in your screen. Again run your program. The program is again asking to enter any number. If you enter 10, then series of first 10 natural number is printed in your screen. Again run your program. The program is again asking to enter any number. If you give number 100, then natural number from 1 to 100 is printed in your screen in vertical order. If you want the output in horizontal order, use AND equal to single quotes in print statement. You will get output in horizontal order. Now again run this program. If you enter number 50, then the series of natural number from 1 to 50 is printed in your screen. Now our second program is write a program in Python to input a number and print the table of that number using for loop. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. Type the program code here. Now save your program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter any number to print its table. We have entered 5. So table of 5 will be printed in your computer screen. Again run your program. The program is again asking to enter a number to print its table. If we input 12, the table of 12 is printed in your screen. Now our third program is write a program in Python to input a number and print the factorial of that number using for loop. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file. Take variable fact Now click at option 5. Choose an option save as. Now click at option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter a number to print its factorial. We have entered 4. The factorial of number 4 is 24. Again, run your module. The program is again asking to enter a number to print its factorial. We have entered 5. The factorial number 5 is 120. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.